Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Lifetime Movie Club on Roku. Quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Lifetime Movie Club on Roku, start by turning on your Roku device. Ensure your Roku is connected to the internet. From the Roku home screen, navigate to the channel store. In the channel store, select the search option. Type in Lifetime Movie Club using the on-screen keyboard. Once you find the Lifetime Movie Club channel, select it. Choose Add Channel to install the app. After installation, return to the Roku home screen. Locate the Lifetime Movie Club channel and open it. When prompted, select Sign in to access your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one on the Lifetime website. Enter your credentials to log into your Lifetime Movie Club account. Follow any additional prompts to complete the activation process. Once activated, you can begin enjoying your favorite movies. If you encounter issues, try restarting your Roku device. This should resolve any temporary glitches that may arise. Now you are ready to watch Lifetime Movie Club content on Roku. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.